Good morning to all. Today we will start with the first chapter of the history, that is the modern period. I would only tell you the important point of the modern period of history. Okay, the first and foremost definition is given. History is the study of changing pattern in society. History is the study of changing pattern in the society. Means as the society changes, history is also changing. Like two periods are never be similar means कि आज क्या है और कल क्या होगा, that both the things are different, both the things will be different. The change occurs due to the history. If we have to know the persons, how the persons are that time period, we try to know their past. Like if I want to know that what is your history, I have to go through the past of that person. आप कैसे हो, तो मुझे आपके बारे में पास्ट भी पता होना चाहिए. दैट will become history of yours. So over the time, history has become the study of common people's lives and their about new ideas. आज आप कैसे change कर रहे हो and पहले आप कैसे थे, तो the past will become your history. Okay, clear? Now dates in history are linked to the events. As we know that the first battles of Panipat will be held in 1857. That will be dates that becomes our history. There will be earlier there will be our Britishers, that is our history. Traditions, very long traditions were there, that is a history. Second topic of your book is period in history. Period in history, as I already told you that there will be three types of periods: ancient, medieval and modern. About the ancient and medieval we already studied in 6th and 7th standard. In this chapter, in this year, we will study the modern period that presently we are living in. That is our modern period. Modern period, it is divided. How this period will be divided according to the society, economy, culture, politics we are following. Okay, these are the, like we will say that the medieval period starts when the Turkish arrived in India. That will be our medieval period. A modern period when the Britishers goes out and Indians become free, that is our modern period. So this is all about the periodization. Okay, the 18th century, generally the 18th century has taken as a modern period because we have developed the scientific progress, we have developing the industrialization, colonizations and urbanization. This is our modern period. This is all about our modern period. Next topic, it is given. Next topic, that was the modern period really modern? Modern है नहीं, still Britishers treated us as a colony. So that period is not regarded as modern period because we have had become the colony of the Britishers. So clearly we are not modern at that time period, but now we are modern because we are free, totally free from the Britishers. Time in history, the span of the time's importance in history rather than the prescribed dates, means year by year, year goes back, that will become their history, and years coming up, that is become a past or present. Okay, present will become, because the revolt of 1857 is given. So this is our history. That will be history. History will be divided by month, day, year. That will be history. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक ऑफ ए चैप्टर है इंटरप्रिटेशन. आप कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हो इस हिस्ट्री को, तो वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग इंटरप्रिटेट द हिस्ट्री डिफरेंटली. एज इंटरप्रिटेट द हिस्ट्री, लाइक अपन ने इंटरप्रिटेट किया कि रिवॉल्ट 1857 कैसा था, दैट इज़ इंटरप्रिटेशन ऑफ ए हिस्ट्री. ओके, वी विल सी लाइक ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनीज रिवॉल्ट्स विच इज़ गिवन इन सेक्शन चैप्टर 6. ठीक है, कार्टिगस, वो सब हम लास्ट में 6 चैप्टर्स में देखेंगे. तो दैट इज़ इंटरप्रिटेशन, हाउ वी विल इंटरप्रेट दैट हिस्ट्री. लास्ट एंड द फोरमोस्ट टॉपिक ऑफ द चैप्टर, दैट इज़ मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट, सोर्सेज ऑफ हिस्ट्री. कहाँ से हमने हिस्ट्री के सोर्सेज जाने, कहाँ से पता है कि ब्रिटिशर्स थे, टर्की विल बी देयर, हाउ वी विल नो, बाय द 4 सोर्सेज: लिटरेरी सोर्सेज, official records, survey reports and indigenous records. By the literary sources, as period has varied, literary sources covers like government reports we have seen, administrative records we have seen, official records, Britishers, surveys, archives, museums. इन सब से भी हमें पता चला कि हमारी हिस्ट्री में कैसे थे, हम हिस्ट्री कैसी थी हमारी इंडिया की. तो दैट इज़ आवर लिटरेरी सोर्सेज. ऑफिशियल रिकॉर्ड्स, Official records like Mughal introduced the modern period, recording everything: executive, legislative, judicial rooms records. They are kept some files. So by seeing that office, by going through that office, we knows that how their history was, है ना, that is preserved as an archives there. Next is survey reports. The British also began with practice of survey report. We Britishers ने सर्वे किया, बहुत सारे सर्वे किया, like maps we have seen various type of maps, topographic maps we have seen, operations, various type of operation has been done. So that will be by survey reports. We know that कि history कैसी होगी. Lastly, not the least, indigenous record. Indigenous record of various type of newspaper, books, magazines, novels that will give us the meaning, like Mahabharata, Ramayana, that will give us the knowledge that उस समय राम थे, उस समय सीता थे, तो that will be indigenous records, है ना. तो उनसे भी हमें पता चला कि हमारी हिस्ट्री कैसी होगी. तो as still here in this chapter we deals with the 4 topics, like I sending you in the pic, in that you will see